Okay, so Todd is in the engine room trying to take things apart, starting with trying to get all the old batteries out.
Huh, you want me to see that? Hello. This is how I work most of the time, with a flashlight in my mouth because I'm old and I can't see anymore. That is what the old charger looks like. It is so badly rusted in the whole works. And it's just crazy. Every one of these batteries, got this battery right here. There's 4 of them underneath where Tammy's sitting out there. There's 2 more up in the front for the windlass. And they are all completely out of water and the acid is dead. So, I got to take this charger and unhook it because I don't want voltage going into the batteries when we plug the boat in. And I got to make sure that that doesn't happen. So I'm going to pull this out. Alright. I need a socket set.
We're keeping that closed and I've covered up these 2 and that one over there just to keep it a little cooler in here. We have a hatch, an air conditioning unit at the hatch on the front. Okay, I'm going to say he's looking for these. I don't know what size. Do you know what size you need? The other entrance to the engine room. This is the bathtub. So that's the generator that we've got to get somebody over here to look at and see if it's going to work. And the hot water heater that needs to be pulled out. And the engine that needs to come out.
Everything needs to come out.
All the nasty. And even though we have the air conditioning unit in the front with a fan blowing down a hallway, I can feel the cooler coming down the hallway. It's pretty warm in here.
Alright, I'm going to come out and then figure out how to get this big bad beast out of that hole right there without dropping it into the build.
Said you had a plug in your...
Look in my phone.
When are we going to go on the paddleboard?
Later.
When's later?
I don't know.
Why is it getting
When we're taking a break, when Dad and I are sitting down and taking a break. Abigail, what are you doing?
Want to do some bloopers really fast?
Okay, so I'm really overwhelmed today. There's so much that needs doing. And it's not like it can't be done, it's just like I don't even know where to start. Like, do I clean and wash the walls and the cupboards and the ceilings? Because we're going to tear stuff out and paint stuff. And Todd's constantly tearing crap apart and like, oh, we're going to do the batteries and now we're working on the generator and oh, we're going to plug the boat in and I need to take apart the electrical system. It's like he's all over the place. And I kind of need to know, like from 1 minute to the next, what we're doing. He's such a turkey.
Look at me. I'm all over the place.
This is my life. He thinks he's hysterical.
Somebody has to make you smile and laugh.
Okay, so what are we doing next?
Well, we have to check the batteries.
No, we know the batteries are bad. All of them.
We have to video us checking the batteries. You know how these YouTube videos are all set up, right? But they are pretty bad. Now I need to clean them up and get them out of here because I got to go to a recycle place.
We have to return one for the core
for the core, and then I have to actually hook up. I have to hook up a battery at least and see if it works.
if any of the electrical system works. Because we tried to do the 110 today and the plug was bad.
Right.
It's kind of a little bit like you try to do one thing and you can't. And
Well,
you
I'm
gotta
sitting
do
here with the
5
core
more
thing,
things.
thinking, you know, they charged me $12 for a core because I bought a battery today, a marine battery, to bring in here so we can at least try the electronics, see if any of the radio stuff works, that kind of stuff that's in place, the bilge pumps, that kind of stuff, that I could also use as a starter motor for the generator. But we'll also have to buy other batteries. They charge me $12 for a core charge, and I just got thinking, if I return all of these to a recycler and then I go buy 4 more batteries somewhere, they're going to charge me almost $50 for core charges, and I won't have cores to replace them with. So yeah, do we sit here with these junky, nasty batteries in the boat and wait until we decide to buy them, or do we just bite the bullet and go recycle them and pay the fee?
Can we put them in the storage unit?
Yeah, I'm sure we could.
The storage unit's getting
Yeah.
kind of full of junk from the boat.
It is. It is. So,
Anyways.
but yeah, there's a lot of work to do. I'm going to go get ready to unhook batteries. And when you're
Okay.
done
Howdy.
pouting, you can come help me. And then we can try to raise the sails, and when you're done with that, we can pull the motor. And when you're done with that, we can try to fire up the generator. That might take both of us.
Yeah.
Carry
Alright.
water you go.
What are we doing?
Going to neutralize the acid on the batteries.
So what is it? Baking soda?
Baking soda and water. See how that's fizzing right there?
Yeah.
Fizzing means that there's battery acid down there that it's neutralizing. All that
Yeah.
junky stuff is from leaking battery acid.
Gross.
So before I pull these off, I want to neutralize it because I don't want it all over my hands. I should be wearing gloves doing it. Okay. Truth or die, it's time. Got the generator warmed up. Still doing a little surging because the carburetor's probably still a little dirty, but I'm going to plug it in. I had to redo the cord. I didn't use the marine waterproof one because this is not a permanent solution. It's just a temporary cord. But let's plug it in and see what happens, shall we? Nothing has exploded yet. Let's go down inside and let's see if I can pop the breaker on. No fan. Fan's not working. Pretty sure these don't do anything with that. I'm gonna have to do with the battery charger and inverter system. Alright, I guess it's time to get my old meter out. See if I have voltage. No voltage. No voltage at all. And I'm getting a low battery on my meter. Alright, it's back to the drawing board, figure out why I can't get power in here.
Subscribe, like, and comment. We'll see you tomorrow.